Thank you, our charismatic brother and sister, Jose Magno Fortuna, the DRD for Region 4A, Alberson area, and one of the future OSH consultant of Apo Safety Practitioners Alumni Association. And to assist Ann Dugumeo, our one of the officers who is the Public Information Officer by Apo Safety Practitioners Alumni Association and one of the silent operators ng AA namin. Dami ginagawa yung dalawa na yan na lubhang nakakatulong at nakakapagpatas ng organization. Prior me starting my inaugural address, I would like to first acknowledge the presence of our lovely crowd in here. From the National Administrative Officers, our members of the Board of Trustees, National Executive Committees, Mika Chapter, the Trust National President, Brad Boy, to the leadership of Central Luzon Administrative Region, Brad Jerry Villanueva, the incoming Regional Directress for Silar, Sismel Alejo, incoming DRD, Dr. Brad Edward Paragison, the Apo Delta Alumni Association representatives Brad Ryan and what's the name of this pogi Brad again? Anong name mo Brad? No, from Delta Alumni Association, the past president Richard Serrano. Sorry Brad, I always forget the name behind the cute face. And Hard Hat Training Center, nandito rin sila. Miss Gracie and the rest of the gang. And last but not the least, which I'm saving, my lovely wife, who've been here also, been supporting me ever since I started the Alumni Association, Dr. Jaja Morante. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, to the RD for National Capital Administrative Region, Brad Jackson, to the chairman of the Apo Preparedness, Brad Memencio Muyo. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Tonight is a very historic night. Not only for Brother Miguel Morante, but the rest of the officers and members of Apo Safety Alumni Association, Apo Safety Practitioners Alumni Association, who have been recognized in the 7th BOT meeting last April 23, 2023 in Iloilo. And having said this, let me first take the privilege of thanking all of those brothers and sisters who've been the key instruments on to where we are right now. First, I would like to give appreciation to the officers and members of the Alumni Association who give unconditionally their love, time, money, and effort towards where we are right now. Also, I would like to acknowledge those personalities in the know and in animosity. Yun pong mga brothers and sisters na tumutulong sa amin na ayaw namang magpabanggit ng pangalan. And tonight, I will be breaking our law of omerta, our law of silence and secrecy, because I will be revealing them all. Pasensya na, idiin nyo na ako kung idiin nyo ako, but I would like to give the credit to whom the credit is due. To my close friend, former colleague in Saudi Aramco, and my go-to guy, as he is one of the seasoned personalities in administrative region of the Middle East, and a very friendly and level-headed brother Anthony Boy Next Door Decena from Theta Delta Chapter. Ganyan kami nito, ganyan. Kaya, to the Gabriela Silang of Apo Daharan, and a hardcore advocate of the OFWs who've been helping a lot yung mga distressed OFWs natin na nasa abroad. Siya yung isa sa mga tumutulong. And she always gives advice, technicalities, at yung mga related sa welfare ng mga overseas Filipino workers. Siya yung laging tinatakbuhan ng Administrative Union of Middle East. Sis Romelo Bayatin of Iota Theta Chapter. Next would be a Brad whom I really look up into. Sabi ko nung namit ko to, parang si Big Vargas tong Brad na to. And if I grow old, or so should I say, if I grow matured, I would like to be like this Brad. Kisig pa lang, alam na this. The first few who give endorsement and cuddled Apo Safety Practitioners Alumni Association in Silar, their very own Regional Director, Brother Jerry Villanueva. Thank you very much. Along with Brad Jerry is the ever-witty, glamorous, and very generous sis. Nung una kaming nagkaroon ng meeting, via Zoom meeting, sabi sa akin, ay si Brad Mike, napakabata pala, 2000 ko lang. But that remark, I never really took it as a defamatory or belittling. Kasi I can feel that she is very proud that a young batch came into the circle with these brothers and sisters who came from circa 70s and 80s. Our incoming regional directress, Sismel Alejo. Together with the core group of Silar, the action man who've been very hands-on sa mga projects namin sa Silar, and any challenges that been met has been hurdled with the flying colors. Dr. Brother Edward Paragison, our incoming Deputy Regional Director. The following AA presidents who've given us endorsements as the alumni associations near our office. Sila yung mga unang nag-endorse sa amin without any question, without any doubt. And so I am very thankful. We are very thankful. Yung punong barangay ng Barangay Calulot, San Fernando, Pampanga, he's not here, but he's one of the brothers na talagang nagbigay sa amin ng push and give us endorsement. Brother punong barangay, Jaime Capil of Apo, Pampanga. Thank you very much, Brad. And the cute guy at the back from Teto Delta, Richard Serrano. Brad, maraming salamat. To the head of the OSH Center in Region 3, Sis Elizabeth Valdivarona. Siya yung she is the one who believed in the prowess of Apo Safety practitioners and consultants of this AA, who've given us the chance to deliver trainings for free. Take note, brothers and sisters, who supported us all the way. Sis Elizabeth Valdivarona. To the head of Apo Preparedness and Management, who never had any question when asked for a training for disaster management and preparedness in Nueva Ecija. And I would like to also acknowledge his presence here, na lagi kong kinukulit pag may mga ganyan services. Brother Nemensio Muyot, maraming salamat tol. Sunod ay yung lagi namin kinukulit ni Tol Ian Mostrales sa NAO. Na lagi naman nagbibigay din naman ng advice. Hindi rin naman kami matiis. And my batchmate in Alpha Pi Omega, batch 2002, our very own the National Executive Directress, Sis Evelyn Teniente Evangelio. Sis, to the man behind the logos, the ads, the graphics of Apo Safety Alumni Association, my ka-chapter, Brad Ronald Alan Bondok. Unfortunately, he's not here, but I would like to acknowledge his contribution to the Alumni Association. Maraming salamat, Brad. And as they said, I will save the best for last. Yung last person na gusto kong pasalamatan, whom helped, extended a hand, starting from the inception, nung nagbublubog pa lang kami, nung nasa kalagitnaan na kami, and to man who pushed harder, or should I say hardest, para ma-recognize kami na laging nakikipagbuno sa mga brothers and sisters at nagpupalo para sa recognition namin. Our past National President, Brother Daboy Fernandez, may katakot. Maraming salamat po. As I've said, this momentous event does not belong to Miguel Morante, the chapter president, but to all of those officers, members, and those people who extended a helping hand sa AA nung nangangailangan kami ng tulong. Para sa inyo po lahat ng ito. Hindi po para sa amin, kundi para sa inyo. At napakaraming salamat. Despite the long list, however, there are brothers and some brethren who, let's say, never believed in us or in my leadership that we cannot push through with this alumni association. Dahil daw, napakalalayo namin sa isa't isa. Nakita niyo naman kanina, nagbabanggit si Ned, asaan? Asa Saudi, asa Oman, asa UAE, asa Switzerland, asa kung saan lupalop. So, that arrived into a conclusion that we will never succeed. But we did. Evident to that one is this installation tonight. But as they said, again, a beautiful flower will not grow by sun alone. It needs also sun to grow up. So para sa inyo, na mga naniwala, hindi naniwala, marami pong salamat. Just to give you a brief history, brothers and sisters, our Alumni Association was first conceptualized and conceived February 6, 2022. It was my 39th birthday. My last day of quarantine. I was a victim of COVID-19 from January 26, 2022 up to February 6, 2022. Sabi ko, nabubuli ako, ano kaya gagawin ko? Wala akong magawa. Alam ko na, kakalapin ko na lang ng mga brads na nasa safety and din gawa kami ng Alumni Association. Yun ang joke doon. But kidding aside, it was already a long time vision na magkaroon po tayo ng Alumni Association para naman magkaroon ng training para sa mga brads na nasa field na at para doon sa mga gusto pang maging safety practitioners. And I am proud to say, we are proud to say that at the moment we have 3 OSH consultants and there would be a lot more. 8 DOL accredited OSH practitioners. We have 33 active members na tutulong sa bawat endeavors namin. At the moment, from its inception last February and up to now, nakagawa na po kami ng 21 major services. Service project to the community. And we have delivered 4 trainings, safety trainings to that matter. 184 people, trained workers. And we already saved, or should I say, they already saved 240,000 pesos plus of training costs. So, though we tried these numbers, it's only a numbers, but it will not be effective if we will not continue. The purpose and objective of APO Safety is to help brothers who are in the profession to hone their skills, train them so that they will be competitive and they can take heads-on the international market and the local market. Para pag umasenso ang bawat membro ng Alumni Association natin, aasenso rin ang pamilya nila. Maganda po bang hangarin yun, mga kapatid? Maganda. And to render worldwide services sa ating mga komunidad na tayo ay parte. To APO Philippines, rest assured that our objectives will put into action for the coming days. To the leadership of APO Philippines, I would like to ask that you be including us in all of the services of the National Council as part of the health, safety, and environmental aspect. We are at your service, brothers and sisters. To the officers and members, I plead you, brothers, ituloy-tuloy po natin because the installation is only a beginning of our never-ending task, never-ending work. This is only the beginning, so let us continue, prosper more, and render more services related to health, safety, and environment. Hanggang dito na lamang po, mga kapatid. Gumagalang sa inyo, Brother Mike Morante, Alpha Gamma Chapter 2002, Charter President of the Aqua Safety Practitioners Alumni Association. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.